How to send camera roll videos as Snap on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send videos from your camera roll as a snaps on Snapchat. It's super easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. Once you are inside the app, simply tap on the search icon shown in the top left corner and you will be prompted to the search section. Now in the search bar, type video to find filters that let you upload videos from your camera roll. From the search, select the first result and this filter will allow you to upload and send your video as a snap. Now press and hold the record button at the center of the screen and this will record your selected video onto Snapchat. And after recording, your video snap is ready to go. You can send it to your friends, groups, or even share it on your story. And that's it. You have successfully sent a camera roll video as a snap. With this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.